Question 1. Who lived the longest according to the Bible? Right answer is C. Methuselah. Like and subscribe. Question 2. What did God give Noah as a sign of his covenant? B. A rainbow. Comment your score and subscribe. Question 3. Who laughed when she heard she would have a son in her old age? Right answer is C. Sarah. Question 4. Who was Jacob's brother? Right answer is B. Esau. Comment your score and subscribe for more. Question 5. What did Abraham find caught in a bush? Right answer is C. Ram. Comment your score and subscribe for more.